today I wanted to share with you just a small video on an update of the white sword Philodendron, I believe it's called. If not, I'll just put the name below or in the title, of course. And it has a bloom, but it's kind of browning a little bit because it's been a while now, the bloom it's been there, but it doesn't do nothing else. It doesn't even open. I was waiting for it to open, but that's about all I'm getting. It's almost like the bloom of the dumb cane, almost. White sword, I guess that gets the name because of the leaf is kind of whitish in the top. I'm going to get a new leaf there. Yeah, the bloom is not a big thing. It's just closed. It's not opening. Yes, eggshells. I was too lazy. I should have grinded in my blender. Yes, eggshells are good for them. Good for all the plants, actually. Calcium. So that's an update on the white sword, and I'll be doing updates of all the plants that I had hauls in, and also my updates on plants that I don't seem to have that I killed. Well, I tried. I did notice also that it does have some sticky something on the stem or on the leaf. I don't know if you can see a little bit shininess here, right here. It's kind of shiny. I don't know if that's normal, but I've been searching if there's anything on the plant. Like, I think they're called fibs or something like that, or scale. Probably the scale is doing this. It's the only plant you can see right there that is kind of shiny. That's sticky. And I don't see no scale. I think it's the scale that does that. So I have to check in between to make sure, like in between there, this part there inside. So that's the downfall so far on this plant. It's been having these sticky stuff on it. I know there are certain plants that do have that little crystally sticky stuff, like if it was normal, like it creates for its defense, I guess. But I believe this one, I don't know, I think it has scale or something, but I have to just keep a close eye on this plant. I really get frustrated when I get those sticky things because it reminds me of the problems I had with my orchids. So yeah, I have to keep an eye on this one and make sure it does not really have it. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.